Hello guys, today I do have the DJI Osmo Action 6 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the white balance in this camera. So, firstly tap here these two lines. Tap Pro to go to the Pro Advanced features and tap WB. Here as you can see we do have the auto white balance or manual white balance. And now we can change manually white balance from this slider. Let me just quickly stabilize here. And to go to the auto white balance, here tap this auto white balance, of course, AWB. And if you want to set the value that you have set here in the manual, tap this tick icon. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.